In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently cancel an appointment in Microsoft Outlook, a task that might seem simple but is crucial in maintaining your schedule accurately. Whether you're working in a bustling office or managing personal tasks at home, knowing how to handle your appointments seamlessly can save you time and reduce stress. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application. This is a widely used email client that integrates beautifully with your calendar to ensure you're always organized and on top of your daily commitments. Outlook might be set as your default email program, or you could access it through a work or personal account. Either way, make sure you're signed in and your account is loaded up and ready to go. Once you're in Microsoft Outlook, navigate to the bottom of the sidebar where you will see the Calendar option. Go ahead and click on this tab. The Calendar feature in Outlook is incredibly useful for keeping track of your meetings, deadlines, and personal appointments. It provides a comprehensive overview of your time commitments and can alert you with reminders for upcoming events. Embracing this tool can significantly enhance your time management skills. Now, with your calendar open, you need to locate the specific appointment or event that you have decided to cancel. Browse through your schedule until you find the meeting in question. It could be a one-time event or a recurring appointment, but finding it in the calendar view will make the next step straightforward. Once you've pinpointed the correct appointment, focus your attention on it. You'll need to right-click on the appointment to bring up a context menu with various options. Among these options, you will find Delete. Selecting Delete will prompt Outlook to remove the appointment from your calendar. At this point, you might wonder what happens next. Well, if it's a meeting involving other participants, some versions of Outlook will ask whether you'd like to notify the other participants about the cancellation. It's generally good etiquette to send a cancellation notice to ensure everyone is informed of the change. But if it's a simple reminder for yourself, you can proceed without sharing any updates and the event will disappear from your calendar view. And there you have it. With a few simple clicks, you've successfully canceled an appointment in Outlook. This process, while easy, is effective in preventing any mix-ups in your schedule and helps in managing your commitments efficiently. By mastering these small tasks, you enhance your ability to concentrate on the more significant aspects of your day. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has assisted you in smoothly navigating the Outlook calendar.